Now let's do another question on lines and angles. So in this question, we're once again asked to find the value of x. And as we know, the sum of angles on a straight line is 180 degrees by the straight angle theorem. So 2x plus 15 plus 3x minus 5 is equal to 180 degrees. Now we can simplify this by adding the like terms as 5x plus 15 minus 5, which is 10, is equal to 180 degrees. Now let's divide both sides by 5. We get x plus 2 is equal to 36. Now we can subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. And this gives us x is equal to 34 degrees. So these angles are 3 into 34, which is 102, minus 5, which is 97 degrees, and 2 into 34, which is 68, plus 15, which is 83. Let's do another question on lines and angles. So in this question, we are asked to find the value of all the angles in this figure, and we are given one angle which is equal to 120 degrees. For the sake of ease, I'm going to name that angle 1. Now we'll name the remaining angles angle 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now from the straight angle theorem, we know that angle 1 plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Substituting the value of angle 1, we get 120 degrees plus angle 2 is equal to 180 degrees. Now by simplifying this equation, we get that angle 2 is equal to 60 degrees. Now from the vertical opposite angle theorem, we know that angle 1 is equal to angle 3. So both are equal to 120 degrees. And angle 2 is equal to angle 4, and both are equal to 60 degrees. Now let's move on to angle 5. According to the interior alternate angle theorem, in a transversal, in this figure, let's call it L, intersects two parallel lines, let's call them M and N, then the pairs of alternate interior angles are equal. Now in this figure, that means that angle 1 is equal to angle 6, and that angle 5 is equal to angle 2. Now we already know that the value of angle 1 is equal to 120 degrees. So angle 6 is also equal to 120 degrees. Similarly, we know that the value of angle 2 is 60 degrees. So the value of angle 5 is also equal to 60 degrees. Now angle 7 is vertically opposite angle 5. So angle 7 is equal to angle 5, and they're both equal to 60 degrees. Meanwhile, since angle 8 is vertically opposite angle 6, they are also equal, meaning that angle 8 is equal to the value of angle 6, which is 120 degrees. So that's it. We've solved this question. We got the value of all the angles that we didn't know.